Need a simple, budget-friendly Valentine's gift that is also thoughtful, customizable, and fun? I have a great idea that starts with a takeout tray from your local coffee shop. You just need to grab inexpensive items and use them to fill the four components of the drink tray. One thing I grabbed was this Dollarama mug. It's cute the way it is, but I decided to add a cricket decal to mine. Another option is a wine glass instead of a coffee mug. I added a decal to this one and I think it's super cute. I also grabbed this cheap t-shirt and ice cream dish at Dollarama. I rolled up the t-shirt, inserted it into the dish, and topped it with a pom-pom to make a little faux sundae. This would also look really cute if you used a pair of fuzzy socks. Flowers are also great for Valentine's Day, so I picked up this small vase at Dollarama and added some flowers. I used fake for this video, but of course, real ones are better. You can also add stuffed animals, socks, trinkets, or sweet treats. Here's how I put mine together. In the first compartment, I added a vase of flowers. Then I added my fake sundae and my custom mug filled with a pair of Valentine socks. Then to finish, I filled the last compartment with some candy. Cute, right? I love how cute and customizable this gift is. Let me know, what do you think? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Talk to you next time. Bye.